Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert fraction equation in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open our Word document. Now we want to insert fraction equation in this document. Go to the insert menu. Then click the equation drop down menu. Then we can see here many equation. We select the insert new equation. Then click the equation box and go to the design menu. And we can see here many equation tools. Now we select the fraction drop down menu. Then apply any fraction. Now I select the common fraction differential. Then insert it. Now we can see we insert the fraction equation in this document very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.